Hello everyone. In this video we are going to create a donut chart in Tableau. So to create this donut chart it requires two axes in the view. So double click on this row shelf and create two dummy measures. So average of 0 and click on this dummy measure and keep pressing on control and drag it to right of this first measure. So now we got two axes and I will drag region into color shelf in the marks card in all. Okay, then I will drag cells in size and change this from automatic to pie chart. Then you will get two pie charts in your view. So from the second marks I will remove region from the colors and sum of cells from the colors. You will get a whole circle in white color. You can also change its color by click on this color. So let me reduce this size. Okay, and from this first marks I will increase the size of this pie chart. And now right click on this second dummy measure and choose this dual axis. So I will change the color of this inner circle. Now these two pie charts are overlapped each other. So to change the color of this inner circle, from the second marks choose color and click on colors and choose a white color, and I will drag cells into labels. So this is how to create donut chart, a basic donut chart in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.